Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures. Then it's your midday market minute. A bad retail sales number crushed the stock market. Not really, but it put a little pressure on there. Reinvigorated some of that selling we saw into the close yesterday. And we're seeing some of the technical levels really hold very well. The 2744 in the S&P, we went below there. That was 3-star support. That did hold overnight, but it's resistance now. As long as it stays below there today, the S&P remains vulnerable for additional waves of selling. The same thing with the NASDAQ around 7,005 to 7,015 or so. So watch those levels. Moving on to crude oil, this thing is consolidating. It did major 3-star support. We have it in the Morning Express. It did hold, but as long as it stays below 54 and the equity market stays somewhat weak or vulnerable, crude is going to be vulnerable as well. And then lastly, touching on gold, the dollar. That bad retail sales number, it helped lift gold, but it's sort of just kind of consolidating a bit. It's a little unenthusiastic. Remember, gold yesterday failed at 1320. Again, that is our key resistance level. But again, on the bright side, 1306 ultimately held. That's a big 3-star support level, and gold did have an opportunity to test what's down there, and it was bought up. So you had retail sales miss, you had as well the weekly jobless claims miss, but the dollar is also staying at the highs of the session around 97. There was some unfavorable news wire reports on U.S. and China trade, them being a little farther apart than expected. Not a surprise to us. We've been talking about that for days, but ultimately that helped bring a little bit of safe haven into the dollar, which has been proven to pressure gold. Watch for the rest of this to play out here today. We still like gold a lot, and we think we'll find it out above 1320, if not by Friday, sometime next week. Give us a call. We're here to talk about it, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.